friends, it's Rick. I'm back with another video. Today we are going to make a cute little Christmas card using products from Pixi Dust Designs. I'm going to use the Holly Jolly stamp set for the sentiment. I'm going to use the We Wish You a Merry Christmas. I'm going to use the hot air balloon die set for my focal image. And I've used a scrap of the Christmas 6x6 paper pad. So I'll move all this out of the way and we'll get started. Okay, the first thing we're going to need to do is I've got a piece of Bristol Smooth cardstock. I need to add some sky back there. So I'm going to just add some tumbled glass to start with. So I'm just going to ink that up. And I will ink up just an area in the center. I may cut this down. So we're going to do that again. I just need a little bit of a atmospheric background, is what we'll call it. And I'm going to add in a little bit of shaded lilac as well for my wintry background. So I'll add some there. I'll add some over here. And a little up here. Now I'm going to go back to my shaded lilac. My tumbled glass. And I'm going to join these colors together and make them blend. And we'll soften those edges out as well. We need to add any more anywhere. I'm going to take my spritzer and add a little water. So a little bit of texture on there. And I will grab a paper towel and we'll blot that off. Then we'll set this to the side to dry while we work on the rest of our card. Okay, my friends, I've already got my parts and pieces cut out. I've cut the base of my hot air balloon from some craft cardstock, as well as the two little layering pieces as well. We're going to add some ink to each of these pieces. I've got some little bows that I'm going to use, and a little scallop piece. And I've cut the top of my little hot air balloon out of the craft cardstock. Pattern paper. And then I've got some glittery clouds that we have done over here. So let me add a little color to these bows and that bunting first. Just want to add a little bit darker color to them, so there's a little bit of contrast and makes them stand out a little bit. We just want to add just a little color. And then I'm going to add some to my balloon, especially the basket. Part right there. Little strings. Take my little paper towel and kind of buff that basket right there, because I really want that ink more on the inside of the little etch lines that the die created. All right, I'm going to take these off. All right, before I go on, I'm going to go ahead and stamp the sentiment on my banner that I've cut out. That way it'll have time to dry. So I'm going to stick my magnet in there. Hold that down. And I did check beforehand And the only sentiment from this stamp set that will fit was the "We Wish You a Merry Christmas." I'll put that there. And then I'm going to stamp that using my Rustic Wilderness ink, oxide ink. That way it'll match our bows. I'm going to go ahead and stamp that a couple times. And while I was cutting out, I did cut out a few extras so that I could stack them all together to give it a little bit more lift. All right, I'm going to set this to the side, let it dry. And we're going to start building up our pieces. All right, so we got our little topper for our balloon. We're going to add that on. So I'll add that. We're going to line it up. Now the little piece right here, and you noticed all the etched lines. I cut that from glitter cardstock as well, so that we would have some sparkle going on. So we're going to line that up. There's that. Now we need to add our other parts of our little basket. So we've got the inside part. It's going to go right there. And we have the layering part for that. So I'll just add tiny dots of glue. And then I can line that up to give our basket a little bit more depth and detail. And we've got our bunting that we're going to add to the top of our balloon. We'll dot on some glue. And we're just going to add this right up there. If we can get it lined up. I'm going to add the little bows right here on the corners, because I want them to look as if it is blowing. Those little streamers are blowing in the wind. So I'm just going to add a little glue behind our little bows. There's my hot air balloon besides our little banner piece right here that I cut from just some red cardstock. It's going to go right down below the edge of our basket. So there's our little hot air balloon. Now I'll go ahead and we can stack our sentiments up. I cut 2 extra from some just white cardstock. So I'll stack these together. They're just scraps of cardstock that I had. We can go ahead and layer up our sentiment banner. We wish you a Merry Christmas. And then my craft cardstock, I'm going to offset a little bit so that there's like a little bit of a shadow. Behind our banner. So we're going to just slightly shift it up. That way it has that subtle little shadow on there, drop shadow. Now I've got my clouds. We'll go ahead and we're going to add a couple of those. So we'll add that one there. Add this one over here. Then we'll add this one down here, over to the side a little bit. And we'll pop this one right in there. We got our hot air balloon. I'm going to pop it up. All right, I'm adding foam tape behind our little hot air balloon. I'm just taking and adding just a few little strips. That way it'll be popped up just a little bit off of the card and not the same height. So we'll just tuck those in there. I'll peel these backings off. All right, I've got the backings peeled off. I'm going to add liquid glue behind. And we will add our hot air balloon. I'm going to come kind of over, down closer to the bottom and over to the left for our hot air balloon. That way we have a little bit of our clouds peeking through on all sides. And then we can add our sentiment banner as well. So we'll add glue behind there. And we'll kind of add that in the center. I've just added a little bit of thicker foam tape behind our banner. I decided I wanted it popped up a little bit more. And before that glue dried, I just pulled it up. So I'm going to peel these backings off. All right, I went and grabbed the chocolate chip cookie embellishments from Pixi Dust Designs. I decided I'm going to add a few of those. Since it's reminded me of a sweet gingerbread type hot air balloon. So I'm going to add a few of these to dress it up a little bit more. I'm going to add them right to the center of these buntings. All right, I'm going to come in and I'm going to add some white gel pen highlights, or white highlights, to our hot air balloon. Catch some of those highlights on that strings of our balloon as well. Add some to our little basket. Our bunting. And of course our little bows are going to have highlights, so we've got to add a little bit to those. Our little bunting at the top. Catch this bow over here. Little highlights. We'll add a couple little highlights up at the top. All right, I've got a top folding A2 card base. I'm going to add this to the top. So I'm just going to add liquid glue behind. And then I can add these sandwiched together. All right, my friends, here is a finished look at our card for today. If you like to grab some of these supplies over at Pixi Dust Designs, I have everything listed and linked below that I used today. Thank you for supporting my small business, and I really appreciate it. Bye, guys. Stay crafty. Love you.